Hello everybody and welcome. In this video we are going to be learning how you can download Construction Simulator on your PC. So the steps are going to be pretty simple and straightforward, so make sure to follow along. So first of all, what you need to do is simply head over to a browser of your choice. So first of all, you're going to be heading over to your browser of your choice, and there you're going to be simply typing for Steam. And once you type Steam, you can see the very first link, welcome to Steam. Simply click on that, and now we're going to be simply heading over to our search field, where we are going to be simply searching for Construction Simulator. And once you do, you can simply click on this little magnifier icon and just wait for a couple of moments, and you can see we have this option of Construction Simulator. Click on that and just wait for a couple of moments. You can see the game is now loaded up. So yeah, now we are on our game and you're going to be simply downloading it from here. You can see if you scroll a little bit down, you can see you have buy Construction Simulator option, the weekend deals offer, which is going to be ending soon. It is 30% on discount. Below you can see we have buy Construction Simulator extended edition. You can simply purchase that as well, and you can see we also have some other complete bundles as well. So that's a pretty simple process on how to download the game. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.